to my channel, Joyful Jessie. I am Jessie. Today is our 4th video of our 5-video series of the strawberrific season. And in this video, I am going to be sharing with you my strawberry crisp recipe. It is absolutely delicious. Noah wants to be in my intro because he absolutely loves it. It is his favorite. My channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you never miss out when we post a new video. This strawberry crisp recipe that we're gonna make today, if I'm making it, as you know, it has to be super simple and super easy to make. So that is what we are going to be doing today, and it is definitely a summertime favorite.
Going to begin by making our strawberry filling. For my strawberry filling, I used 5 cups of strawberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 of a lemon. Once we have that all in a bowl, we're going to mix it together. Once our strawberry filling is done, we're going to place it inside a baking dish. I'm using a pie dish for mine. You can just use a deep baking dish if you don't have one. Now we're going to move on to our crisp part of our recipe. We're going to start by placing all of our dry ingredients in a bowl. We're going to be using 1 cup of gluten-free oats, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of gluten-free flour, and a dusting of cinnamon. Then with a fork, we're going to mix it all together. Lastly, we are going to take 1 melted stick of salted butter and mix it into our dry ingredients. Using a fork, we're going to make sure that we have that butter well mixed with our dry ingredients mixture. Once our crisp mix is done, we're going to sprinkle it all over the top of our strawberry filling. Then we are going to bake this at 375 degrees for 50 minutes. I ended up placing a baking sheet underneath it because it does bubble as it cooks. So if you're using a shallower dish, I strongly advise you to place that baking dish underneath just to make sure that it doesn't bubble out into your oven.
My mouth is watering just smelling it and looking at it. So I can't wait to try it. Let's give it a try. Pair this with vanilla ice cream, which we do have.
A lot of.
Noah over here. He's so excited about this, right?
Yeah.
He's actually staying up today and waiting for this to be done. May is already sleeping. Tastes like pie? Is it good?
Pie.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you recommend it?
Totally.
Now it's my turn. Let me see. A little bit of ice cream, a little bit of strawberry, a little bit of crunch. Oh, with the ice cream is perfect. It's like strawberries and cream. And the crunch on the top is just fantastic. Get the warmth from the strawberry on your crust, and you get the nice creamy coldness from the ice cream. I am so excited of this amazing strawberry season, and I'm so glad I went back for more strawberries because this is just great. Now it is your turn to go ahead and give it a try.
Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!